Today, we're going to talk about serialization in Java, what it is, why it matters, and how you can use it in your programs. So, what is serialization? In simple terms, it's the process of converting a Java object into a sequence of bytes. This makes it easy to save the object to a file, send it over a network, or store it somewhere temporarily. And when you want that object back, you deserialize it. That means converting the byte stream back into a Java object. So it's basically a way to freeze and unfreeze objects. Now, in Java, for an object to be serializable, the class needs to implement the serializable interface. It's a marker interface, meaning it doesn't have any methods, but it tells the JVM, hey, I'm cool with being serialized. Let's take a quick example. Suppose you have a simple class called person, and you want to serialize an object of that class. You'd implement serializable. Then you'd use ObjectOutputStream to write it to a file. To bring that object back, to deserialize it, you'd use ObjectInputStream, which reads the file and reconstructs the object for you. It's that simple.